I am in the town of Anao, the town that Ilang-Ilang built. The name Anao has three possible origins. It could be Danao, because there were plenty of creeks here before. It could be Anahaw, because the place used to have lots of anahaws. Or it could be Anawang, which is an Ilocano word for a large cooking vat. Now, maybe in the future, it could be Ilang-Ilang. The town of Anao is the smallest town in Tarlac in terms of land area. But what it lacks in square meters, it more than makes up for in its people's diligence and ingenuity. The town is getting worldwide attention for its flower, the Ilang-Ilang. Ilang-Ilang is a successful livelihood project, and it is surprising that there is no organized Ilang-Ilang orchard. Instead, the whole of Anao is an Ilang-Ilang plantation. The flowering tree can be found all around the township, lining the roads, around the parks, inside private yards. People just harvest the flowers as well as the fruits of the tree. Anong trabaho mo?
Ako po yung tagakuha po ng bulaklak ng ilang-ilang tsaka bunga. Ako rin po yung nagpupunla ng mga ilang-ilang seedlings po. Mas maganda po magpitas ng ilang-ilang, madam, kapag umagang-umaga po. Kasi mas marami po siyang langis na makukuha po pag niluto po. Marami pong namimitas po rito. Ilang-ilang po yung pinagkukulan po namin dito sa kabuhayan po namin.
The flowers are sold by kilo to the processing plant, where, using heavy-duty machinery, the valuable ilang-ilang essential oil is extracted. 10 milliliters per 1 kilo of blooms, used in the manufacturing of soaps, cosmetics, and perfume, as well as oil burners and massage oils.
I'd like to invite all of you viewers to come over and visit our lovely province, Tarlac. Definitely, you'll love the place, try the foods around, and if you have a day or two, try and come and visit our tourism office to show you around.
I will admit that in the beginning, like everyone else, I did not expect to find very much in Tarlac. But after several days and many towns, I am pleasantly surprised by the many discoveries I have enjoyed. The land, the people, the adventure, the food, and I'm glad I visited. The discoveries are found beyond MacArthur Highway. So next time you go north, turn left or right on MacArthur Highway and visit Tarlac. I promise you'll enjoy this province that's part Pampango, part Ilocano, part Tagalog, but pure and uniquely Tarlac. I'm Susan Calo Medina. Huwag magindayuhan sa sariling bayan.